guys, I hope this video catches you all well, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video and a short review of a Bluetooth speaker made by a company called Bugani. So currently the price of the speaker is showing at £79.77. Now when I ordered the speaker, it was on a promotional price offer of £37. With the speaker costing just under £40, I was very curious as to what I was going to get for my money. So the specification of the Bluetooth speaker indicates that it has an IPX5 water resistant rating. It also has the ability to act as a power bank because it has a USB-A connector which allows you to connect your phone cable, and then you can charge your phone or tablet when you are using the speaker. It also has the playback time of being 40 hours. It also has the added feature of accepting a micro SD card. Now what you could possibly do is put your MP3 files onto the micro SD card, pop it into the side of the speaker itself. The speaker will then read your music files from the micro SD card and play them independently. That particular feature is actually quite unique because there are a lot of Bluetooth speakers that don't have the ability to play back files from a micro SD card. Right, so let's unbox the Bugani speaker. Okay, the packaging looks quite sturdy. You can see what's inside the box. So it looks like there's an instruction manual. I'll put that to the side. And then there's a cable, or looks like two cables in here. Let's have a look. Okay, so you have a USB-A to USB, oh, it's a micro USB. It's a shame really, it would have been good if it was a USB-C. So yeah, it looks like it's a micro USB charging cable. And then they have also given a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. That's obviously if you want to connect your phone via the headphone port. That's if you have a phone with a headphone port. These days they're getting rare. Okay, so there you have it, the Bugani M83 Bluetooth speaker. Now the overall impressions is that the build quality seems to be pretty good. It looks to be very sturdy. Now it's got this like kind of rubberized finish to the speaker, which is quite good because when it's placed on a flat surface, it indicates that it's not really going to be moving about too much. The handle, yep, the handle's very sturdy as well. The weight of the speaker is fairly heavy. Now I'm guessing that's down to obviously the speaker magnets and also the battery that's built into the unit. Speaking of the battery, we can actually have a look at the back of the unit and see if there are any ports at the back. Now let's have a look what's underneath this cover here. Okay, so you've got a series of ports which are at the back of the speaker, and the ports that you have here, you've actually got the normal USB, which I'm suspecting would be used to charge your phone. If you take this away with you on holiday or you're at the beach or something and you're running low on battery on your phone, you need to charge your phone, you can plug your phone cable in there and then plug the other end into your phone. It should start charging your phone. Here you've actually got the port for the micro SD card, so you've got a micro SD card slot there, so you can put your MP3 songs, music or whatever, you could put that in there on a micro SD card and it will actually play the tunes. And then here you've got your micro USB, so you would plug the micro USB charging cable in there like that, and then you'd plug that into a USB charger. Now sadly Bugani haven't supplied a USB charger, but I am suspecting that you can just simply use a good quality USB charger and it will charge the unit. I'm not sure how long the unit will take to charge. I'm pretty sure that will be in the instructions. Because this has an IPX5 water resistant rating, I can understand why they've actually made this little cover here to cover the ports. That's pretty good. The buttons on the side, so you've got a number of buttons on the side here. It looks like they've also been rubberized. You've got your volume up and down. You've got the power button, obviously. You've got the play pause button. Here you've actually got what looks like a Bluetooth logo, so I'm assuming that's the Bluetooth pairing button. The M button, that stands for memory. So obviously if you have a micro SD card in there, you can press the M button for memory, and then it will read the songs from the memory card and allow you to play them. Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing up and running. So I'm going to power it up. Okay, I can see a blue light flashing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just there on the top left of the speaker. Okay, right, so because the blue light is flashing, that's indicating to me that it's in pairing mode. So what we can do is put the speaker to a connection. So let's have a look here. Right, so what I'm going to do is use my handset and go over to the Bluetooth settings. So we can go over to the Bluetooth settings. Let's see if it's, oh yeah, there it is. So it says Bugani M83 just at the bottom there. So I'm going to select that. It's saying that it's pairing. So yeah, we want to connect to it. Okay, it's given a pairing tone. And then now what we can do is go ahead and play some music. So let's play some music. Okay, I'm going to just turn the volume down using my phone. Yeah, and even at the lower volumes, the sound quality is pretty good. Put the volume up a little bit. Okay, so I'll just turn the volume back down again. Okay, so with regards to the sound quality itself is fantastic for the price range of this speaker. Now, as I mentioned before earlier on, the speaker itself cost me £37 from Amazon in the UK. Now, with regards to that, I wouldn't pay any more than £40 for this speaker, so please be aware that Bugani have special offers from time to time which will allow you to buy the speaker for approximately £40. If you do take advantage of that offer, you will be quids in, simply because it will be extremely good value for money. Now, with regards to the audio signature of the device, to me it does seem a little bit bass heavy. It's almost like they have got an equalizer which is built into the speaker, and the equalizer itself has got the low frequencies at a very high end. So the lower frequencies have been boosted, which means that the bass in the music is heavily boosted. So listening to it right now, I can actually say that the actual highs that are in the music are actually not that audible. So what I would suggest is, if your phone allows you to use an equalizer of some sort, I would definitely advise adjusting the sound with equalization from your phone before playing music through the speaker. However, if you are the type of person who prefers heavy bass, then this is 100% definitely for you, without a doubt. And yep, guys, I would give it probably, for the price, being I got this at £37, I would definitely give this a strong 8 out of 10. It is 100% comparable to some speakers that are a lot more expensive from Sony, JBL, and what have you, perhaps even Bose. So yeah, for the price, you can't complain. Another thing that I know about this particular speaker is that if you have two of these speakers, you can actually pair them together and create a stereo format. So you could have another one of these Bugani speakers and they will both play at the same time, left and right audio, which was also a plus point. So yeah, once again, guys, it's fantastic value for money at around the £40 price bracket. If you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker to take on holiday or to just have on the corner of the pool, just as you're relaxing with your friends or family, this is absolutely fantastic. So if you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to like and subscribe. That would really help me out and that would be absolutely amazing. And then I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much, guys.